Well, hello, my friends, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. Now, if this is your first time here and you love this content, wow, or even after watching the video, click that subscribe button and turn on your bell ringer, and you should not be missing any notifications. So yes, today is an older video, but I want to show you something with a twist. So let's get started. Now for this tutorial, everything you're going to need is going to be in that iCard and also in the description box. Now you can use whatever flowers you desire to use. However, remember to check that iCard out and the description box. With this Dollar Tree Nautica rope, it is very thick. We're going to loosen it up. You see that right there at the tip. It is very thick, so we're going to unravel it. See how thick it is? And you can get like 3 center pieces done with this. I'm going to show you guys how thick it is. See there? Like you can do 3 centerpieces, 3 projects. It'll be so awesome to use. Remember, you can get this at the Dollar Tree. So let's just continue this on out until we get all the way down to the bottom or the length that you desire. Now what I did was place a bead of hot glue right there at the top of the stem, right there. That's all I did. And then we're just gonna go around the stem of the wine glass. That's all you're going to do. I am going to demonstrate it for you. There we go. Just add 1 small amount of the hot glue. Remember, if you want it to be permanent, use the E6000. Make sure that it is tight, my friend. I'm wrapping it around tight. And now we're gonna place some more hot glue on there. However, please be careful when you are doing it this specific way. Now take it around some more until you get to the very bottom of it. And I'm going to add some more hot glue again. And then I'm going to go down all the way until I get to the very bottom. And then I'm add some hot glue down there as well. But make sure it is very tight. Just like this. This is how it should look once you're down at the bottom. Now it is time for us to place our hot glue right there at the bottom. Now your DIY should be looking like this for your design, okay? However, if you notice with the Nautica rope, it has these strings on the side, okay? So with those strings, we want to make sure that it's all in pocket, okay? I'm sorry, everyone. I just love our designs to look neat, okay? So we're a family, so let's just keep it real. Now, I'm going to place a small amount of Mod Podge onto a paper towel. Once you do that, you're not going to do this technique right here, like rubbing it on. You're going to dab it on, not rub it like this. Don't do that, my friend, please, because it's going to throw the whole design off. You just want to take some of the Mod Podge and just dab it on there. This is how much you're going to use, not a whole lot. It doesn't take a lot. And just dab it onto your design. Once you do, it's going to dry clear. So let me tell you that it's going to dry clear just in case you're brand new. And you're just going to continue this process on out the way that I'm doing it in this video. And I know you can see some of those strings on the side. So make sure you keep dabbing it until everything is in place. And remember, you can also use this using a Dollar Tree wine glass if you don't have this specific one. And this is just more of an up close shot of what I'm talking about. See, it looks white right now. However, it's going to dry clear. So don't worry about that. Okay, so now it's time for us to jazz it up a little bit. So now that it's completely dry, this is something that you can do to save your flowers or roses. Just take a glue dot, place it onto the flower, and then stick it inside of your wine glass for your event. Now you can use the gold flat back or you can use the silver flat back brooches, okay? That would be beautiful instead of using something large that's going to overpower it. So you can leave it as a farmhouse look, or you can place some brooches on there in order to bring it out a little bit more. As I was looking back on this design, I noticed that you can do the 3D stacking method instead of placing the flowers on the other side of it. So that is something that you can do. And if you are a glammer, you just place some brooches in the inside of it and you're good to go. Now in that iCard or in the description box down below, I will have other things that you can do to alternate this design. Now I did choose to use this brooch. I didn't want to go over the top with it. I did want to cool it down a little bit, and you can use this for a gift, so it is shippable to a client. And if you're going to use it for home decor, make sure it blends in with whatever brooches that you're going to be using. All right, my friends, I thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney. I hope you all have a beautiful week, and God willing, I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.